In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and modify shapes using Adobe Premiere, a powerful tool for editors both seasoned and new. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open up Adobe Premiere on your computer. If you've got a project you're working on, go ahead and load that. If not, you can start a new project to practice what we're learning today. Adobe Premiere, as many of you know, is widely used for video editing due to its comprehensive features. Today, we'll focus on a set of tools that often doesn't get the spotlight but can seriously enhance your visuals: shapes. Now, moving along, direct your attention to the toolbar within Premiere. Look for the rectangle tool. It's easy to spot. What you'll need to do is click and hold on this tool. Holding it down gives you access to a small menu that allows you to choose from various shapes rather than just your standard rectangle. Adobe designed this with flexibility in mind, allowing you to create circles, ellipses, and other shapes which we can personalize further in Premiere. Once you've clicked and held, go ahead. From that little pop-up, choose the shape that you'd like to use. This is where you start having fun. Think about what shape best fits your project's needs. For instance, a circle can frame an object or highlight an area, while squares and rectangles are often used for text boxes or background elements. With your shape selected, the next step is to place it on your preview. Click and drag your mouse to start creating the shape on your video canvas. Here's a crucial tip. Hold down the Shift key while dragging to keep your shape proportions even. So, if you opted for a circle, press that Shift to get a perfect circle rather than an oval. It's these small steps that result in a professional and polished look. Now comes the stage where you have total creative control, editing your shape. Head on over to the Effect Controls panel. This is where the magic happens. Adjust size, position, and other properties of your shape to make sure it fits seamlessly within your project. You can explore fill colors, strokes, and even adjust the transparency to match the video's theme. Take some time to experiment here. This area allows you to mold your shape to suit exactly what you're visualizing for your project. And there you have it. That's all it takes to make and finesse shapes in Adobe Premiere. Shapes can truly transform your project's visual appeal, making it both engaging and professional. I hope this has inspired you to dive in and experiment further with all the tantalizing options Premiere offers. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you create next.